Hi everyone, welcome back to the Flavor King. Today we're making the best organic chicken tikka roast. And trust me, this is the kind of chicken that disappears before it even reaches the dining table.
It's flavorful, healthy, organic. Honestly, what more could you ask for? Subscribe if you want more recipes like these.
First, take an organic chicken. I'm using my own homegrown chicken. I will definitely miss you. And one important thing.
Why are chickens so funny?
Why?
Because...
Anyways, organic chicken are big in size, but there is less meat in it, just like you wallet.
So this chicken was approximately 1 kilogram of meat. Now, cut the chicken into 4 pieces. Make deep cuts in the chicken to allow better marination. Do the cuts exactly where shown in the video.
This helps the spices go deep into the meat instead of just sitting outside like uninvited guests. Now add 100 grams of chicken tikka masala, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons cooking oil or butter, and 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Then add the juice of half a lemon.
Make sure the chicken is fully coated and properly marinated so every bite is packed with flavor.
Oh boy, this is gonna taste amazing. Cover it and marinate it for 12 to 24 hours.
Yes, good things take time. Even chicken knows that.
Now we will put the chicken in the skewer. Preheat oven 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes.
Cover the bottom oven tray with aluminum foil to stop the dripping chicken juices from burning.
Now place the chicken in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Turn on both upper and lower grills for 40 minutes and keep the convection fan on. Look at that beauty.
Believe me, the aroma has completely taken over the kitchen. At this point, even the neighbors might start showing up. And now, the chicken tikka roast is ready.
The color, the texture, absolutely amazing. It's so juicy and flavorful, I genuinely don't have words for it. Brush a little oil on top for that glossy restaurant-style shine. Serve it hot with your favorite sauces and enjoy every bite.
And if you fully watched this video, then why have you not subscribed yet? Tell me. Press this beautiful subscribe button. Go watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.